Hey guys, and welcome to this video where we are testing the THICC Mascara by Fenty Beauty. This little baby of 10 ml retails for about 25 Canadian dollars and was launched just this week, and the shade that I have is Cause I Am Black. I don't suppose there are any other shades for this mascara, but the only reason the brand would have named this could be because they intend to come out with more shades or versions of this in the future. And looking at how well the Fenty Beauty products have been doing, especially with their lip luminizers, the brand and Rihanna are here to stay in the beauty world. Alright, turning back to the mascara that I have here with me, this comes in the sleek black packaging with a tightly packed but a tapered brush, which according to the brand is supposed to give this extreme volume, thicker lashes and a lifted lash effect. So let's just try that out. I already have my lashes curled with my Tweezerman lash curler, so I am ready to get into this product and try it right on my lashes. Now here I'm zooming you in for the first coat of my mascara, and as I see, it's a very thick coat. It has almost lifted my eyelashes, and if you can see, my eyelashes are pretty long, so it's very easy for me to be able to get it on my lashes, but very difficult to have them a little bit lifted, especially in the ends here. Now let's see if it's really buildable. The only reason I'm working with it on one side of my face is so I can show you the difference with and without the mascara. And as you can see, I have very long lashes, so mascaras can become too spidery looking on my eyes. So my suggestion for those with similar lashes as mine would be to create volume, and for that I normally start from the root of my lashes and thicken that area and then wiggle out the product through the lengths of my lashes to still coat them, but not as much. Also, I would advise to not have too much product on the wand, so you start with a light coat and then build it up as you go, because I understand that with mascaras that is a major issue, that going back is not an option. Alright, after the second coat, I am feeling a little bit more positive. Though it is not as much buildable, I would have preferred something that I could go in and coat again if I needed to. It doesn't weigh down my lashes, which is something that I've always had a problem with mascaras with. It is pretty much comfortable. Now, these are supposed to be transfer proof, humidity and sweat proof, as well as water resistant, so they should not be difficult to work with when going on about the day. But I would also be careful with such a product when removing it before going to bed, because that can be a task in itself. I also want to talk about the color. The black is very deep matte black. It is not a soft shade. The formula is very thick and it is a full-bodied product, so I would be careful when applying it the first time around. Alright, so let me just complete my other eye and I'm going to be back with my final thoughts. And I'm back with my final thoughts. I do enjoy this product. It is a smooth formula which is very easy to coat, so not heavy or difficult to spread around, and does look beautiful, especially for short lash people. This would be a must-have. Now that is all for my review of the THICC Mascara by Fenty Beauty. And did I mention I love the name? But that is all, ladies and gentlemen. If you like this review, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you in my next video, but until then, you take care, love yourself and stay happy. Bye.